Hello my beautiful people, Coach Gaby here, and today I have an awesome Love Handle Eliminator core workout. What a title, right? But it's gonna be awesome, so let's get into it. All right, we're gonna be doing 2 sets. The first one is more demonstration, more talking. I want you to have proper form. And then the second set, we just go straight through the workout, less talking, more doing. So if you think you know what you're doing, then go ahead to that second set. If not, let's start with marching crunch, all right? We're gonna have our hands all the way up, all right? And we're going like marching. This is, you see these are a lot of my videos. It's a great warm up. It's a great core workout, but we're gonna do a marching crunch. So we're gonna bring our arms down as our knee comes up as we march. So marching crunch. I want you to have your feet flexed when they come up so that you're using your core a little bit more, and it uses just uses different muscles. You can do pointed, but for this, I want flexed foot, all right? And a strong upper body. Our chest is up, our neck is nice and long and elegant, shoulders are pushed away from our ears, and our tummy is tucked and our butt is engaged, all right? So we're gonna be doing that for 30 seconds. All right, in our positions, ready, let's go. Remembering to breathe, it's super important to deliver oxygen to your muscles, in your nose, out your mouth, okay? And you don't have to go as fast as I'm going. You can go much slower, all right? If you need to hold on to something, the wall, the chair for balance, that's okay too, all right? Balance takes practice as well. And as long as you're controlling your movement, it doesn't matter how fast you're going. As long as you're doing proper form, all right? So 3, 2, 1, and very good, arms down, awesome. Next we have inside foot taps. These are really fun. So our arms are gonna be out to the side. Our feet are, open, wide, hip width apart. And what you're gonna be doing is bringing hand to opposite foot. So on the inside of the foot, tap, and then other one, all right? If you can't tap the inside of your foot, go ahead and reach for your calf or your knee, all right? I don't want you to be, slouching to get down there. I want you to keep a nice strong spine and really use your core to bring your leg up to you. And if you have to, go ahead and crunch towards it, but we're not slouching, all right? We're using our core and our back muscles, going straight down with a nice little crunch, okay? So, like so. No, see the difference? Moving with intention and just being lazy. So, 30 seconds, alternating each side, and let's go. And again, go at your own pace. You don't have to go as fast as me. That's the beauty of 30 seconds. You do what you can in that time frame. Breathe. I'm gonna sound like a broken record, just like that. But that's because sometimes we hold our breath when we're really focusing on something. So I'm just gonna remind you to breathe. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Arms down, shake it out, and get ready for our kick crunch. So much like the toe tap, the inside foot tap, except with a straight leg. So arms back out here. We're gonna kick forward and reach for our toes. So kick, reach for our toes. If you can't, go ahead and reach for your shin or your knee. And much like the inside foot one we just did. It's a little warm up for this exercise. So 3, 2, 1, as best as you can, kick. Very good. Use those core muscles to bring your leg up. Very good. And to reach for your toe. Awesome job. Keep going. You got this. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Shake it out. Next, we have standing side crunches. So we're gonna be doing is hands behind our head. We're gonna bring up our knee. So bringing it up to the side and crunching to the side. So our upper body goes down like this and our knee comes up to the side. Okay, we're gonna do 15 seconds one side and then go ahead and do 15 seconds on the other side. Or you can go ahead and do the whole 30 seconds alternating, all right? Sometimes doing one side at a time is easier to balance, but if you want, go ahead and switch. All right, ready? Let's go. Very good. Strong core. Tuck in that tummy. Proud chest. Even though our chest is up here, we're not, bringing it down. Nice controlled movements. 3, 2, 1, and switch. Very good. Squeeze those muscles. Nice tight core. Very good. You're almost there. 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Shake it out. Get ready for our last but not least exercise of this set, because remember we're doing 2. We have open, close torso twist, all right? So standing, feet hip width apart if you'd like. Arms are out to the side. What we're gonna be doing is swinging one arm over to the other, open, and then switch. But this is a torso twist. So when that arm comes around, you are twisting your torso to the side and trying to keep your hips squared forward. So just moving your upper body. All right, we're gonna be doing that for 30 seconds. Remember to try to isolate your core to moving side to side. Big breath, 30 seconds, and let's go. I want you to inhale when we open and exhale when we close. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Awesome, almost there. This should feel really good. 3, 2, 1. Done. Very good. You completed your first set, our demo. Take a second, grab some water. We're gonna get ready for our second set. Less talking, more doing, just going straight through the exercise. But first, take a look at the timestamp. So when you do wanna come back to this exercise, you don't have to go through the demo again. You can just get straight to work. All right, see you in 5 seconds for set number 2. Cheers. Alrighty, set number 2, exercise 1, marching crunches in position, 30 seconds. Let's go. Almost there, you're doing great. Don't forget to breathe. Awesome, awesome. Push through. 3, 2, 1. Very good. 10 seconds, active recovery. Take a walk around, shake it out, stretch. Get ready for inside foot taps. 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Remember, strong core. You come up, squeeze it in, and then crunch. Crunch. Breathing. Very good. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Active recovery. Next, we have our kick crunches. Ready? 30 seconds, let's go. Breathing in your nose, out your mouth. Very good. Smile, we're having fun. We're grateful for this day. We're grateful that we can move our bodies. Great job. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. Active recovery, very good. Getting ready for our standing side crunches, either 15 seconds each side or alternating for 30. Get ready and let's go. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Other side. Slow it down if you need to. Pick it up if you want to. 3, 2, 1. Let it out. Shake it out. Very good. We're almost there. We have our open, close torso twist. Big breath. 30 seconds. Let's go. Controlled movements, no swinging arms, none of that. Control. Control. Very good. Twist that torso. Awesome job. Breathing, almost there. 3, 2, 1. Very good. You did it straight through. If you're ready for round 3, go ahead, rewind, get it done. If not, check out our channel. We have so many awesome workouts, stretches, meditation, educational videos to share with you. Subscribe, click that bell so you know when we post, and I'll see you on the next one.